connection for a variable torque connection. It's double speed, 1779 rpm and 900 rpm. It's a single winding and 2-speed. Here's the data. The diagram, maybe the data and the diagram. Okay, let's do the connection. So let's say this is A1. So start, the brown is leaving start and the yellow is the end. Those yellow are the end. This is start. Okay, it says A1 start. It's line 1. This is A1, the start. This is your line 1. Okay, and then it jumps to A3 from end to start of A3. So this is the end of A1. Say this, it goes to the A3 start. So yellow to brown. This is the A3. Take this. This is the jumper. Okay, jumper. That's the one. And the end is number 4. So this is the end, yellow. This is 4. Okay. Then let's move to A2. So A1. See, this is your A2. Start is 4. So brown sleeving is your start. 4. Okay. Then A2, your end goes to A4 start. So A2, end goes to A4 start, brown sleeving. Okay. That's your jumper, and your end is that star. So the yellow end of A4, this is star. Okay, so we're done on the face A. Here's face A, face A, and A. So we're done on this. The next, line 2. That's line 1. That's line 2. Line 2, C1. So A, B, C1. So your C1 start is number 2. Number 2. Okay. So it's the same process, the same connection with the number 1. Same with the number 1 connection in jumpers. Okay. So end to start from C1 to C3. That's your jumper, and the end is number 5. Okay, so this is your number 2, C1 start. Take the end, and C3 start. That's your jumper. Okay, and your end on C3 is 5. This is 5. Okay, so you're from C1 to C3, and the next is C2 to C4. So your C2 start is 5. C2 start, brown sleeving. This is 5. 5. And your C2, your C2 end going to C4 start. That's a jumper. And star is the end. Okay, C2 to C4. Here's the C4 here. Okay, so end to start, jumper, and C4, end is star. The yellow sleeving is the end. So this is a star. Okay, so we're done on line 2. So line 2 is done. Jumper, jumper, 5. Okay. We're good. So let's do the connection. Line 3. So it's V2. Okay, A, B, C, A, V. V2 start. It's the 3, line 3. Okay, that's line 3. And then the end of V2 coil is going to jumps to the B4 start. So brown to yellow. Brown. Here's the end of the B4 start, jumper. Okay, that's the jumper. And your B4 end is number 6. That's the end. So all the yellow sleeving is the end of coil, and this brown is the start. This is 6. Yeah. Okay. And then start to B3. Okay, B3 start is 6. Here's the 6, brown. It's number 6. Okay. Another 2. then B3, and jumper to B1 start. That's a star. The end of B1 is a star. Okay. So B3 and B1 start, jumper, then B1 and there is a star. Okay, it's done. So it's the same connection from line 1, line 2, line 3. Like this. B2, line 3. The end of B2, jumper to start to B4. Parallel. And the end of B4 is number 6. Then move to B3. B3 starts is number 6. The end of B3 going to B1. Start, jumper, and the B1 and the star. So what you're gonna do is take all the star. So this is a star. Star, star, and star. So this is the star. We're gonna join together with the star and weld it so it's star inside, and join join the 4, 5, 6 as your line 4, 5, 6. So the 6 and 6 join together, put the leads, that's your line 6. Okay, then 5 and 5, 5 and 5 together, line 5, put the leads, terminal going out, outside lead. Okay, and then 4 and 4 is 4 and 4. Yeah. Sorry again. So 4 and 4. Connect. Put the leads, the terminal going out. That's your leads. Let's make this jumper free from that. Okay, 4. Okay, that's it. Okay, and your line 1, 2, 3. For the terminal leads going out. 3 is going out, leads, and leads. 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 6. That's all your leads. This is your jumpers. There. That's your jumpers. And the star. This is your star. Okay, yeah. 6 and 6. Terminal going out. 5 and 5 terminal leads. 4 and 4 leads. 1 2 3 leads. Okay, just like that. And your high speed, your line is 4 5 6. Got your line and join the 1 2 3 so that you have 2 star 2 Y in the low speed. So your line is 1 2 3, put the power in there, and 4 5 6 open, and that's your 1 star 1 Y. That's the low speed. Low speed, that's the 900 RPM. Your high speed is 1779 RPM. That's it. We'll do the connection of leads or the terminals. Yeah, tomorrow. So this is your 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 6, and 1 2 3. I'll show you after. It's done welding, so I'll show you the line 1. So A1 start, jumper end to start of A3, cross, and the end of A3 is 4. There, 4. So A2 start, solve 4, and your A2 end, it jumps to A4 start, and the end is star. This is my star. The same with line 2 and line 3. Yeah, line 2, C1 start, end jumps to start of C3, and then the end of C3 is 5, then the other 5 is C2 start, and then C2 end goes to C4 start, jumper, and C4 end is going to star. That's your Y, or star. Okay, so line 1 A B C, line 2 and A B, line 3. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, line 3 start in B2 end, jumps to B4 start, and your B4 end is your number 6. So it's going back to B3, the B3 start there, it's number 6, and then B3 end jumps to B1 start here, and V1 end is your star. That's it. So how it works, how it's gonna work, this high speed and low speed. Just says here, sure, your high speed is 645 and join together 1 2 3, so you have double star. That's double star. So this is your line 4 5 6. Put power in it, hook up a power, and join the 1 2 3. You have to start it, so you have double star. It says 2Y, 2 star. So this is 1 star and another 1 star, so you have 2 star. That's your high speed. So if low speed, your line is 1 2 3 and open the 4 5 6. So 1 2 3, power it up, hook up a power here, 1 2 3, and 4 5 6, leave it open. Put a tape here, tape and tape, leave it open, no connection, so that you have only 1 star. Says here 1 star is your low speed. Yeah. So your high speed is 1779 RPM and your low speed is 900 RPM. Okay. Yeah, that's the way the variable torque connection. It's single winding double speed. So it says here you join your 4 and 4, that's line 4. Join your 5 and 5, that's your line 5. Join your 6 and 6, that's your line 6. And then single spaghetti for line 1, line 2, line 3. Okay. This is double spaghetti going to the terminal. Okay. Good. Oh, this is done. I have to scrape the varnish of this one. Other one needs to be dipped in the varnish. Okay. This one I need to clean this one, and that one need to be dipped in the varnish tank. Okay. No, just start at 220. Ready? That's the lowest speed. Take the tack. Yeah.
You know how to use that thing? Where do you put it?
It's simple. It's simple. Very simple. 882. That's the lowest speed. Yeah. 900 day.
Well, I sure hope it is.
What? 1 2 3 line.
That's nice. You have problems.
4 5 6 is open.
That's nice. Speed that.
What's the amps? 4.3. Yes, RPM 1795. High speed. Okay, we're good. That's a spike. Okay.